My child, everything that happens in life is perfectly aligned by a divine force. Once you start believing in that higher power, you realize that control is an illusion. This does not mean that you don't take any action and just sit on your couch all day long. It simply means you accept life as it is. You don't try to force things to happen. Your doubts will be proved wrong when you receive your blessings. You are being asked to step down from doing things from obligation and start embodying more of your authentic self. God will bless you with abundance, but as you receive His financial blessings, you must also remember to give back. You can raise your standard of living, but you must also raise your standard of giving. Help those who are less fortunate than you and show them God's love working through you. Don't blame yourself for feeling the way you feel. Wherever you are right now in your life is not your forever state. It is okay having all these emotions. Give yourself permission to feel everything through.